The video.
How you record it, dude?
Hey guys, I'm doing a video on gigabit off-road. I know I told you I was gonna do fishing videos and stuff in zero turn, but I'm switching stuff up this time.
So more fishing videos.
Um,
How you supposed to take a video like that?
so I'm gonna change my truck up. I already did some of this stuff, and
Oh, you want some more video?
I bought most of it.
Right here.
See, I could just do this right here.
This is the one I posted yesterday. No, that was somebody else.
It don't charge me for it because I already paid it.
That's my dude on your account. Actually, I just started picking rolls on it.
And that's how I do it. But I'm gonna do
I got a steal.
a squat on it just cause I like to squat.
Dad, did you get Facebook, my first video?
Not yet.
Actually, well, y'all see that truck right there, but I'm not gonna use that one. I'm gonna use the Ram. That's my Ram. I like this one. Obviously, you see it cold rolls. Oh, yeah, that's what. Oh. Y'all hear that whistle? It's not. No, it don't have to. What's the? Oh yeah, that's the brake pad. Yeah. I don't know. It's about like it's for heavy actually, I guess. That's not. This is the deep side. What do you mean, menu?
Are you recording?
Yeah. This is where it gets deep, guys. What? Oh. Wait, what did you say?
It says you swallow a penis, and it says no, it says you call that a penis, and I said I've swallowed bigger things than that.
Alright, guys. I'm gonna do one more obstacle. Y'all saw me doing the mud. I'm not doing this one though. I gotta go do this. Oh yeah. My friend wants me to do my friend wants me to do a shout out to him, his channel, and my other friend wants me to do it. And my friend Andrew Stoney wants me to shout out him now. So what's your channel gonna be?
Andrew Stonebreaker.
Andrew Stonebreaker. And if you don't know how to spell that, I'll try to remember to put it in the description. But yeah. And then I try to shout out Hunter Rose's channel.
To get live.me, follow from live.me, we're doing live stream.
Yeah, get live.me and maybe I'll do a live stream. Kind of like Roman Atwood.
If we can get 100 subs, we'll pay you all $300.
Yeah. Wait, what? No. Hold on. No. If we get 300 subs, I'll do a shout out to all the people that send me a like.
If we get 300 subs, we'll send a handwritten letter to every one of you. I hope you do.
Okay.
Give some thumbs up, my people.
Alright, I guess I should do the shout outs now. I already told you I shouted out Hunter Lannings. But shout out Andrew Stonebreaker. He's getting a channel today, I think. That's what he said.
I have a channel on post.
Yeah, he's fixed to get a channel. But shout out to him. Shout out to LaGrange Wiffle Ball. He's my friend Hunter. You should watch him. He does pretty good videos. He does like random other stuff like 2K17, some kind of little wiffle ball. Yeah, just stuff like that. And then Hunter Rose, he does stuff about us doing our videos. I guess.
I do
Hunter, what do you do your videos about?
whatever you want me to do.
And Andrew does whatever you want him to do. So
I do MLB the Show, NBA 2K, Madden 17, and like other stuff.
okay, y'all. I guess y'all all heard that, but yeah, this is the challenge for today, and I finally got up it. So see y'all later. Bye.